Let's take a look at how we can use Minitab to evaluate the hypergeometric distribution. To start, create a column that has the number of sample successes. I put this in column 1. Next, go to the Minitab calculation menu, not the stat menu. Drop-down menu will show you a probability distributions choice, and from there we're going to go down to hypergeometric. We'll pick that, and what we have is a set of fields where we put the population size, the event count in the population, that's the number of successes in the population, and the sample size. And Minitab wants an input column, and for that I entered sample successes is in column C1, and a column for optional storage, which is C2. And I've labeled column C2 P of X or less. We're going to have a cumulative probability. I've checked that box at the top. All I do then is click OK, and you'll see that Minitab populates column 2 with the cumulative probability. That's the probability of X or less. So the probability of 0 in your sample is 0.14. Probability of 1 or less is 0.59. 2 or less is 0.93, and so on. And that's all there is to that.